press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear viewers, this is our session 7th HTML. If you are new to this channel and watching for first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel. There will be a red button like this, and don't forget to like this video. And if you don't know what HTML is, make sure you are watching from part 1, and the link of playlist will be in description. And in last video we talked about tables, what tables are, and how to talk how to the border color, what is border color, how to color the border. And in this video we gonna talk about some of the elements like div element and the span element. And please make sure before starting hit a like, and if you like this video till end, please share this video to your friends who want to learn HTML. And let's start. And I'm just typing that in body. And this is that element. If you don't know what this is like other elements like body element, like HTML element. This is a container tag, like, and it has no required attributes, like no required attributes. And when we use this with CSS is also a language, a computer based language. If we use this with CSS, we can use this tag to style the blocks. And in today's video we are talking just about that. Let's start with that. If just type div style, I'm just making this like a block, and just making its background color black, and typing any kind of text in there. Let's start with this div style, and then is equal to, and then we start with background, and just a minute, and color, and wait, just any kind of color you want to set in background of that block. Like I'm just making that black is fine. I'm just going that with black, and then color, and this is the color of the text what you want to display the text. And like I'm doing that red, and then padding. And if you don't know what padding is the space between letters. It is the space between letters. Like I'm just doing that 30 pixel, wait, is 30 pixel, and then just wait, yep, with that, and just close this. And here is what you want to display. And we just typed our element, like we want to set the color for background color for black, and the color for font is red, and padding between the alphabets is 30 pixel. Like I'm just displaying that in H1. Hello friends. And guys, if you don't know what H1 is and you are still watching this video, make sure you watch our playlist from this series 1, and you will understand better. And if you want to research about this, you can, it's your wish. And let's make that again, and S3 buddies, please subscribe my channel. It's my humble request. Wait a minute. guys. Yep. And what you have to do is, oh sorry, and if you don't know why we are closing and why we are opening the S3 tag, make sure you watched our part 1. And just a minute, and just break this and break this. And if you don't know what BR tag is, please make our playlists. And I just started that from beginners, from basics, and I will do that to the expert level. And hit the subscribe button, guys. And just one more thing, if I just type the text I want to display, and I just closing tag. This I just said earlier that this is container tag, and container tag are those who just the tags which we have to open and close both, and we are just save as and dot. If you guys don't know why I'm saving this in HTML, please make sure you watch our part first. And just closing it, this is my folder, and this I did in table. This is table, and which I created in the last video. And the next one is our another list which I did in last video. Link will be in description about this. And this is our phone, guys, and what we did here. And this is one what we did, like hello friends. Just a minute, friends, let me show you one thing. What we did is this. Here it is. Oh sorry, I displayed there. And wait a minute, I just saved that in HTML. Just I'm opening with Notepad, and here it is, friends. Like this is div style. And what I said you earlier, that we are making our background color black and the font color is red, and then the space between alphabet is 230 pixel, and H1 is hello friends, and I just break that. And S3 is buddies, please subscribe my channel. It's my help me sorry for that, and that's a mistake. And I just close that div tag. And this was our part first, and our second topic is about the span element. Yes, span span. It is also container element, like that's one div and div, like what you want to say div element, and many will say div. And no required attribute like div, and when we use that with, we can use that with to style parts of the text. Like if you like an example, I am just typing anything like hello friends, please subscribe my channel. Hello friends, please, till this I just want to make my text black. By default it is black, and subscribe should be in red, because subscribe button is it's in red. And I will show you how to do this, like sorry for that. Like what I'm doing, guys, like what at for heading for, it is third last smallest one, and group buddies, please subscribe. Oh sorry, and from this I want to display subscribe in red color, and then I just have to do that. Sorry, span style, where span style is equal to and color color, and then I just have to red and just I'm closing this, and here it will be what I want for this one. Like I want subscribe for this one, and this is like span. Just I'm closing this span because I just want this, and span subscribe my channel, and I'm just closing my h4 heading, and this was, guys, I just got that right. And if I want to display that h1, you also can that. You also do that. And friends, this was all about this. Subscribe, like I'm typing Tech India, like save that, and it will show subscribe Tech India in red, like yep. And friends, like if you want to change the color, and it will be like I want to do that with blue, blue. So this was today's video, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe our channel. There will be a red button like this, and if you are new, please watch our playlist from this session first. And thanks for watching this video, guys. This was today's video, and thanks from Tech India.